In this fast world, we all need to maintain a to-do list or a reminder in our smartphones and still keep on checking it again and again to make sure we don't miss out anything important. We all need a secretary or an assistant, just like they show in movies, who's always around you, taking important notes, reminding you of your appointments, tracking your itinerary, someone who knows all your preferences, and gives you driving instructions and whatnot. What if I tell you you already have that assistant with you all the time, and that too free of cost? Hello, salam and namaste. This is Asad Vidani and I am back with another tech video just for you. Thank you for your support in the earlier videos. So when you hit like, comment, subscribe and the bell icon, it not only helps you to keep updated with my latest videos, but also encourages me to make new ones. Those of you who are new can check out my videos here and hit the subscribe button now. So coming back to our topic, who is this assistant you are not aware of? Let me introduce you to, or rather reintroduce you to this super efficient, very powerful, intelligent and absolutely free assistant, the Google Assistant. Yeah, I know many of you will now quote Milton Friedman and say there is no such thing as free lunch. However, if you remember in my last video, I've explained that this is all a barter system. You have to keep a balance between convenience and privacy. This video, I will only talk about the convenience and not about privacy. Since the time I've learned about Google Assistant and its powerful features, I've been researching further and trying to develop it just to suit my daily needs. This has made my life more organized and more convenient. Before we go ahead, you need to enable Google Assistant voice in your phone. Let me show you how. So it's very easy to enable Google Assistant voice match. Go to settings, scroll down to Google, tap on account services, tap on search assistant and voice, tap on Google Assistant and tap on voice match and enable this so that Google will then ask you to say OK Google a few times so that it can remember your style of speaking. Now that you have enabled Google Assistant, let's start. OK Google, turn on the lights. The most basic function of a phone is to call somebody. Technology has moved from a keypad phone to a buttonless touchscreen phone and now to a touchless experience. So how do I call somebody when I'm either driving or I'm typing on my laptop? Very simple. Just ask the assistant. Okay Google, call my wife.
Calling my dear wife.
We all know it's very simple to take a screenshot by swiping your palm right to left on some phones or using the combination of power and volume key. But again, why do you want to do this when you have an assistant to do the job? Okay Google, take a screenshot. Consider this, you are driving down the road and suddenly you see something you want to capture. What will you do? Very simply, just say, OK Google, take a photo. It will launch your photo app, and depending on your photo app, if you have enabled voice commands like selfie, smile, click, shoot, it will click the photo for you. OK Google, take a photo.
Alright, get ready.
Trying to take a power nap? No problem, just tell Google to wake you up. OK Google, wake me up in 15 minutes.
12:25 a.m. Set.
Are you like me, who keeps things in a safe place and forgets where is that safe place? No problem, ask your assistant to remember. Okay, Google, remember I've kept my contract documents in the top drawer.
Okay, I'll remember that.
And when you want to retrieve it, just ask a simple question. Okay, Google, where have I kept my important documents?
Here's what you told me.
You plan to go for a weekend trip somewhere. What's the first thing you check? The weather. Okay, Google, how is the weather like in Lonavala this weekend?
From Friday to Sunday in Lonavala, highs will rise from 29 to 32, while lows will be in the upper teens. On Friday, it'll be partly cloudy. On Saturday and Sunday, it'll be sunny.
Even before I go shopping, I have tens of things on my mind as to what I want to shop. The moment I reach the market, my brain freezes. Again, Google to your rescue and see how well Google manages your shopping list. Okay, Google, add camera batteries to my shopping list.
Got it. I added camera batteries.
You can retrieve your shopping list by saying, okay, Google, what's in my shopping list?
You have 6 things on that list.
So you're working late in the office and you want to let your wife know. Without touching your phone, what do? Okay, Google, send a WhatsApp to my wife saying, I'll be home late tonight.
Sending your message to my dear wife saying I will be late tonight.
You received a marriage invitation from a colleague which you don't want to miss. So what do? Okay, Google, add a calendar event and let the conversation begin. Okay, Google, add a calendar event.
What's the title of the event?
Marriage of my friend.
Okay, when is the event?
25th of March,
At what time?
8 p.m.
Got it. Marriage of my friend on the 25th of March at 8 pm. Do you want to save that?
Yes.
Alright, I saved your event.
It's the day of the wedding. You need to reach the wedding venue, but you don't know the directions. So what do? Okay, Google, drive me to Star Wedding Banquet, Lokhandwala. Okay, Google, drive me to Star Banquet Hall, Lokhandwala.
The best way to get to Star Banquet Hall by car is via Western Express Highway and will take about 27 minutes in light traffic.
You need to calculate something, but don't have a calculator handy. Okay, Google to the rescue. Okay, Google, what's 50,000 divided by 30 times 25? Okay, Google, what is 50,000 divided by 30 times 25?
The answer is approximately 41,666.66666667.
You plan an international holiday to some place, say Turkey, and you want to write an email to the hotel, and you want to be a bit more creative by making it personalized. So, okay, Google, how do you say hello in Turkish? Okay, Google, what is hello in Turkish language?
Merhaba.
Now that the Turkey trip is planned, you want to have an interpreter with you all the time? No problem, use Google Assistant. Just tell the assistant, okay Google, be my Turkish interpreter, and see how well seamlessly Google translates all your English into Turkish language and reads it out loud. That too in real time. Okay Google, be my Turkish interpreter.
Okay, I'll be your interpreter.
How are you?
Nasılsın?
How far is the airport?
Hava havaalanı ne kadar uzakta?
Another example. Okay, Google, what's today's dollar rate? Okay, Google, what is today's dollar rate?
$1 equals 72 Indian rupees and 87 paise.
You want to track the share price of your favorite stock? Okay. Okay, Google, what is the share price of Reliance Industries?
Reliance Industries Limited closed up 1.27% yesterday at 2058 rupees and 50 paise.
Suppose you want to search for a city on Wikipedia. Okay, Google, search for Mumbai on Wikipedia.
Opening Wikipedia.
You want to watch your favorite movie on Netflix? No problem. Okay, Google, play Kung Fu Panda on Netflix. Okay, Google, play Kung Fu Panda on Netflix.
Opening Netflix.
Remember, you need to link your Netflix account to Google. It's very easy to do that. The first time you give the command to Google to play something on Netflix, it will immediately ask to link your account, and it will take you through a step-by-step process, which is as simple as clicking 1, 2, and 3. So you're sleeping and your room is dark and you suddenly hear some noise. What do? Okay, Google, turn on the flashlight. So friends, these are all out-of-the-box commands. Now, just like a human assistant, you need to train Google Assistant to do some of your special tasks. In the next video, I'll show you how to set a macro-like commands for Google Assistant. For the time being, here is a sneak peek of what I mean. The day starts, and for me it is, okay Google, business time.
Bharati Airtel Limited closed down 0.04% yesterday at 593 rupees and 45 paise. $1 equals 72 Indian rupees and 87 paise. 1 pound equals 101 Indian rupees and 40 paise.
So this is sneak peek number 2. Okay Google, good night. Okay Google, good night.
What time should I set the alarm for?
7:30.
7:30 am. Set.
You now know the rules of the game. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell icon and share the video. Thank you.